How to make and create magazine grids Instagram story on Canva PC. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is go to canva.com and log into your account. Now go to the top right here and click on create a design and search for Instagram story and click on it. After you click on Instagram story, it will take you to this page. Now go here and scroll down like this until you find the magazine grids option, and here is it. Now click see all and choose any template you want from here. You have many options, for example this one, and you can change the photos and the text and everything. After you finish, go here and click download. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end.